Waste to Energy, a solution to the infamous Bangalore municipal waste crisis by Akshay Chandran. Introduction. What is waste to energy technology? Waste to energy technology refers to the waste treatment process that produces energy in the form of electricity, heat, or transport fuels such as diesel and petrol from a waste source. These technologies can be used for a similar kind of waste such as solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste. However, the most common application of this technology so far is processing of municipal solid waste. The most known and commonly used process of waste to energy for municipal solid waste processing is incineration. Incineration will be the method that I would be discussing in my research to resolve the crisis in Bangalore city. This is an example to show how the waste to energy process works. Introduction to the garbage crisis in Bangalore. Bangalore is a metropolitan city in southern part of India with a population of over 8.3 million. Bangalore came into the glare of publicity when the news regarding the heap of waste remains on the roads were broadcasted on the reputed foreign news channels. This happened due to the irresponsible handling of waste by the contractors and the city corporation, an unscientific way of handling the waste, and also due to the non availability of new landfills to dump the huge amount of waste generated every day. This was considered to be a shame for the city, which was also called Garden City. And after this news was broadcasted, the alliteration Garden City to Garbage City started rolling off the tongue. The new government and the corporation authorities took various measures to overcome this issue, which proved ineffective, which also created turmoil among them and the opposition political parties. These are the pictures from two of the major newspapers, which shows the alliteration Garden City to Garbage City and information about the garbage crisis in Bangalore. Importance of waste to energy technology. The importance of waste to energy technologies are waste is diverted from landfill, reducing greenhouse gases and carbon emissions entering the atmosphere and protecting the land from soil contamination. It effectively recovers metals and minerals from incinerated ash that can be recycled or reused. It provides energy security and a sustainable solution to fill Bangalore's energy gap. It helps to reduce the dependency on energy imports and the environmental cost of transporting that energy to the city. Sustainable, local, low carbon, cost effective, and reliable source of energy. It saves millions of tons of carbon dioxide. The research question. How can the garbage crisis in Bangalore be eradicated by implementing the waste to energy technology? And what are the benefits to the society from implementing this project? The literature review. Initially, my research will focus on the current technology employed in handling the waste. The focus on current strategies used by the city corporation to overcome the waste management crisis. To what extent is the waste scientifically handled? What are the rules and regulations existing in regarding to dumping of the waste? How efficient is the law in the country? whether the waste handling is done by the government companies or the private companies, licensing the policies of the government, the capacity of landfills in the city, how the wastes are transferred to the landfills. Will this technology benefit the society in the long run? Policies of the Pollution Control Board of India, opinions of the society and the politicians, the people involved in waste handling, the attitude of the people of Bangalore city towards a cleaner environment. Are the wastes properly segregated by the people before dumping? The right place to establish the plan for this project. Benefits to the society. Government procedures for establishing a plant. Will this technology pollute the environment? The amount of recycling done in the city. Contextualizing the proposal in the literature. There are various research already done on how to exterminate or solve the garbage crisis in Indian cities, but there has been no methods implemented or found so far to tackle this major problem efficiently. Hence, the research on this topic would benefit in finding a way to tackle this problem and also to find a way to produce renewable source of energy. I will also study on the effective way of transporting the waste from the streets to the landfills. This research will help to find an alternative source of energy, thus reduce the scarcity of electricity in the state. This research is unique because such a technology is new to India. This research will also benefit for further identification and development of more renewable source of energy. Research strategy, questionnaire, case study, field visit, interview, and participatory research. Selecting respondents, general public of Bangalore, the politicians from the state of Karnataka, the electrical engineers, the corporators from the city corporation, NGOs, people involved in waste management. The research limitations. This technology is new to India, so it is difficult to conduct a primary research. Limited access to the government authorities. Lack of knowledge among the general public. Limited access to the web page of waste handling companies. And these are the references. Thank you.